Guys, just a really quick video to show some lace that I'm putting into my Etsy shop today. And I've got 3 different types. Okay, the first type, this is vintage lace. And it's in a fairly large sheet. I'll show you. So it's quite sheer, really pretty, really delicate. It's little white flowers with gold thread. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but in real life the gold thread is quite sparkly. Actually, let me put a black book under there so you can... Does that help? Maybe. But really pretty. It's so fine. Okay, so the sheets have been cut to lengths of 1 meter, and I've left them the width of the roll, which is, okay, so they're 1 meter by 1.43 meters, or 100 centimeters by 143 centimeters. If you work in inches, that's roughly 39.4 inches by 56.3 inches. So large sheets, really pretty. I'll have those in my Etsy shop today. I'm not sure how many packs I'll put. I'll cut a few, but you know, I'm in a moon boot and a wrist brace, so I can take the wrist brace off for short periods of time, but the moon boot makes it a bit difficult to clunk around and cut these big sheets of lace up. So I don't know how many I'll pop into my shop at this stage. Maybe only 10 packs, I think. That may be all that I have enough for as well, but you'll see in the Etsy listing anyway. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one, this is actually some lace that was used on a wedding dress. Someone must have been altering their wedding dress or making wedding dresses or something, because some of this was on a wedding dress and it had a lot of loose pieces and a half a roll with it still. And I've been slowly using some here and there. I've sent some in Happy Mails. But anyway, it's a fairly wide lace, really pretty. It's got flowers, leaves. I hope you can see that. I'll put that on the black book as well. I don't know if that helps. It's got a bit of a shine to it on certain parts, and it's matte in certain parts. Okay, so these I've cut to 1 meter strips as well, and I'll just give you the measurements. Sorry, let me just fold that up. Okay, so this lace is 100 centimeters by 23.5 centimeters wide. And in inches, that's 39.4 by 9.25 inches. Okay, and the last one, I've been asked for this by quite a few people. I have had trouble giving this up because this is fairly old and I just love it. I love the colour, I love the pattern. Okay, this is vintage lace as well. Oh, I didn't mention, the one with the gold thread is vintage. This blue one is vintage, but this white wedding dress lace, I don't think this is vintage at all. I don't know how old that one is, to be honest, but these two I know are quite old because I know where they came from. So this is it's a light blue, kind of a sky blue. It's got little embroidered flowers on it. So pretty. and it's got a bit of stretch to it. Actually, it's got a lot of stretch, I think. It's quite stretchy. And the colours on the edge, kind of an off-white, like an eggshell. I don't know if that was white at one stage and it's just discoloured over time. But very pretty. I love this lace. I've had this for quite some time, and yeah, a few people have asked for it because I've sent some out to some people, and a few people have seen it on other channels and asked for some. But yeah, I've been putting it off. But look, I've got enough to share, I think, and I'll keep some for myself and share the rest around. So this one, the blue stretch lace, so they're 1 meter long, which is 100 centimeters long. It's 16 centimeters wide, so that's including the edge. So it's from the white edge to the white edge, which is roughly 39.4 inches long by 6.3 inches wide. Okay, so I'll put all the measurements in the Etsy listings anyway. But I'll pop those in today. You should see those available once this video is on air. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.